Hey everybody, this is Becca's Crochet Closet again, doing the third video in the series Back to the Basics. And today I'm going to be teaching you how to do a double crochet. I am using Bernat blanket yarn, which is a size 6 bulky yarn. And the yarn label called for an 8mm size hook. This is a Clover Moore 8mm. And for my foundation chain, as you've probably seen in my previous videos if you've watched them, I go a size up for my chain. So I'm going to be using a Clover Moore 9mm hook. And let's get started. The first thing you're going to be doing is create your chain, and this chain can be any number you'd like. I'm going to do a chain 10, so I will see you back here in just a moment. All right, so I went ahead and I did my chain 10, and I am going to switch to my 8mm hook right now. Okay, so now that we have our chain, I'd like to point out here, you have the first chain, which is the one that the yarn is going in and out over here. After that, we have the second and the third chain. For a double crochet, we will be working into the third chain from the hook. If that's hard for you to eyeball or see, find that chain first, kind of hold it with your finger. And we're going to have your yarn on the left, our hook on the right, and we're going to cross and put our yarn over the hook. This is called yarn over. Once that's done, you're going to take your hook and see how this is facing the top. We're going to turn it so it's facing down. Go into that third chain from the hook. Now we're going to turn our hook back facing up. Put the yarn over it so we can grab onto it, and we're going to pull this through the chain. Now you should have 3 loops on your hook. So you're going to take your hook, yarn over, and you're going to pull through only 2 loops. So 1 and 2. Now you have 2 loops remaining. You're going to do the exact same thing. Yarn over, pull through both loops, and that is your first double crochet. And your chain here is going to count as your first double crochet. So let's try that again. Let's go on to the next chain. You're going to take your hook and yarn over. And you're going to go into this next chain. Now that you're in that chain, you're going to grab your yarn, pull it through the loop on the bottom. You should have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2 more. There's our second double crochet. So if you were to continue all the way down, you're going to yarn over, through. It'll begin to look just like this. Thank you for watching, everyone, and please go ahead and follow me